Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache using the run feature in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to Chrome browser, go to settings and type run. As you can see here, this feature run. Now go to here and select open. Now you have to type the command which I'm showing here. You have to put this code as you can see on your screen. You have to put this temp and you have to put this code in this run window. So we will type the command temp and hit the OK. Now this opens the temp folder containing temporary files. Press Ctrl plus Alt to select all the files. Just press Ctrl plus Alt. Now press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete them. Shift plus Delete. Okay. Or you can just right click on it and go to delete, and it will all get deleted permanently. As you can see here, around 1500 files, temporary files deleting. Now skip this. Okay, skip. As you can see here, my all temporary files get deleted. Okay, now you have to do again, go to search bar, again type run. This time you have to just put temp and press the OK. Now give this permission, select continue. Now if prompted for admission, you have to click continue. Now select all the files and delete all of them. Control plus all, and yes, delete all the files. And Windows stores additional temporary files here. Deleting them will freeze even more space. And that's it guys. Now you know how to clear the cache using the run feature in Windows 11. Doing this regularly can help your system running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.